Hi everyone, in today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to create a Telegram channel. In order to begin with, first thing first, install the application from your Play Store and then go ahead and open up your Telegram application and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap the pencil shape icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. And while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on new channel. In order to begin with, first thing you'll need to start by giving a name of the channel. So go ahead and type in the name, and you can also go ahead and add a description about the channel and click the tick icon located in the top right hand side corner. So right over here, you need to select whether you want to make the public channel or its private channel. Select it accordingly and tap the tick icon from the top right hand side corner. And also make sure to go ahead and select the link, so you can basically go ahead and customize your link itself and click the tick icon once you're done creating the link. After that, you need to go ahead and add subscriber to your channel, so you can simply go ahead and add the contact infos and click the arrow icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Once you've done that, you successfully created a channel into your Telegram account. So that's basically how you can create a channel on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.